SIDEM is proud to present its safe, modular, compact, and digital filtration technology, the barrel. What does it look like? The barrel is a high-pressure corrosion-protected steel vessel containing membrane elements. The membranes are grouped together in bundles inside a composite honeycomb structure. The barrel can be used in various applications: seawater desalination, wastewater treatment for reuse or discharge, final treatment for micropollutants removal, on municipal or industrial water treatment markets. Now, let's see how it works. Pressurized water enters the barrel by either of the two feed ports. It then flows through a series of membranes. It can be any nanofiltration or reverse osmosis membranes, as long as they are 8 inches in diameter. Driven by the filtration process, salt and other impurities get separated from the water. This permeate is driven to the center of the membranes and through a hexagonal collector into the central tube of each bundle. Operation and maintenance are much easier, thanks to smart connectors embedded in the structure of the barrel. Meanwhile, the brine is discharged from the barrel. The barrel comes fully equipped with smart connectors, state-of-the-art wireless conductivity sensors, offering a precise remote and real-time monitoring of membrane condition. These sensors provide diagnostics and allow the location of any anomaly to be easily found, thereby optimizing the process and providing efficient maintenance scheduling. Safe, compact, and digital, the barrel is an efficient and enclosed membrane system that can be installed in the open air with minimal civil works. It can treat from 400 cubic meters per day to 50,000 cubic meters per day per unit, and can handle several filtration stages when designed at low pressure in order to reach high recovery rate.